we built on stuff from last week. So we reviewed your homework assignment.
Yeah.
It was to come up with a move that extended with the quick quicks. And looked really good. We kind of refined some of those, and then
we explored that idea of compared to last week's squishy circles when you just got really close. There is a contrast to that essentially.
That's boing, boing, ba, 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 boom.
We can add as many of
steps.
those. Yeah.
Dances.
So we did that a little bit, and then we explored the idea of adding not quick quicks, which is kind of what most people were doing, but instead slows or triple steps.
Yeah, we focused really on the triple steps. We gave you a couple songs to kind of explore that, and we gave you an example move which looked like this. Rock step, triple, 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 triple step. I'll show it this way. Rock step on. Wee! We had that sneaky little arm catch where we went to here, and then underneath, and we talked about a circle around the lead metric.
Yeah. Followers, continue. Do not stop yourself. Don't try to guess what the next move is, because again, these kind of moves rely on you continuing, because then you can comfortably turn into that triple step turn. Otherwise, you can't. It's harder.
Yeah, that's what we did. See you next week. Bye!